Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we would be discussing a very interesting and important topic. Whenever you look at any course, the first thing that you also consider, or one of the most important things that we consider about the course, is the cost involved. So today I bring to you the entire breakup of the cost that you're expected to spend while doing ACCA. Now, roughly you would have read everywhere ACCA costs 2 to 3 lakhs, but I'm going to give you an entire breakup of how you're going to be spending this 2 to 3 lakhs. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. So to begin with, initially you will have to register yourself under ACCA. So for registration, it is going to cost you £30. All the figures that I'm going to be mentioning are going to be in pounds because the fees is technically paid in pounds to ACCA, and you could apply your conversion based on whichever country you are and whichever currency you're paying from. After my initial registration, I also need to pay annual membership as a student also. Yes, I know it's a little pinching on the pocket, but students also unfortunately have to pay this membership, which is roughly £122. So yes, it is expensive. Every year you need to pay the subscription. So it's advisable that you finish your course faster so that you save on the subscription part. Then after you qualify, you typically are called an ACCA affiliate without 3 years of practical training. Then also you need to pay an annual subscription of £142. And if you become a member, that is a person who's registered under ACCA qualified exam and who has completed 3 years of practical training, they have to pay roughly £283 of membership fees. So membership fees is going to be paid by you irrespective of what your status is, either you're a student, affiliate or a member. Then you also have another knowledge and ethics module to be completed, only post which you become a member of ACCA, and that typically costs you around £71. It's a mandatory training to be done by all the students to get their degree. Now moving on to your course cost. So your course is typically divided into 3 levels: your knowledge level, skill level and your professional level. For your knowledge level, there are 3 papers which cost about £84 per paper. Then your skill level has 6 papers which cost about £129 per paper. Your strategic professional level has 4 papers. Any 2 are optional and 1 SBR paper. All the 3 cost you about £162. However, your strategic business leader cost you £227. So in total, roughly it's about £700 your professional level. There is also a slight drawback about the ACCA course, that is they do not provide you books. So the registration that you're paying is simply to be a student. There is no extra benefit or facility provided by ACCA in terms of books. You need to purchase the books from outside, and the books would roughly cost you about £30 to £40 depending on which publisher you're buying it from. Is it a hard copy, soft copy? So it varies, but roughly about £30 to £40 per book. So that into 13 papers is what you have. So these are certain costs that you need to incur. Now also, if you're claiming exemption, that is if you're exempted from your knowledge level, then typically you need to pay £84 in total for not writing the exam but for claiming the exemption. And second, if you're exempted from your skill level, then you have to pay about £111 in total for the entire skill level. So this is your entire cost breakup for doing ACCA. So you have your registration fees, you have your annual membership, you have your examination fees, cost of your books, professional modules. All of these are your costs to be incurred. So in totality, if you put together, it roughly comes about 2 to 3 lakhs in Indian rupees. Also, if you do not pay your membership, like your annual membership, then your registration is cancelled and you will have to do the entire process again. So it's a big headache. So please, pay your membership on time. Also, if you are not filing your examination on time, then you will have to pay some late fees. So if you are taking special guidance from any of the institutes for ACCA tuition, that's going to cost you another 1.5 lakhs, roughly approximate. So you could add that to your cost. So 3 plus probably 1.5. 4.5 is the cost maximum that you're going to incur to complete your ACCA. So which is, I think, relatively low when you compare it to any other international course. So it is a very good course in terms of cost because it is not that heavy on pocket. Plus, you get back the entire 4.5 lakhs when you're doing your training. So you might get some stipend when you are doing your 36 months of training. Also, the typical pay package expected for an ACCA is 6 to 7 lakhs. So you recover your entire cost typically in the first year of your job itself. Now also you need to know that you would be spending this 3 to 4.5 lakh over a period of 2 to 3 years. It's not going to be incurred all at once. So the cash outflow probably average per year is 1.5 lakhs to do ACCA. Also, you please note that the rates that I have mentioned are current rate, and ACCA keeps revising their fees and examination fees, their course fees, annual subscription every now and then. So the fees might change. In case you want to look at the revised figures, you could look at the ACCA website where you would get the entire detail of all of these costs. So it's a very good and affordable course, and everyone looking for global opportunities in accounting and finance, then ACCA is definitely the course for you.